Hello everyone, welcome to the new module. We'll be studying what is a support and what is a resistance. I will be explaining this in a very simplified form so all of my students can learn this in a very easy way. I won't make this complicated, I'll make it as simple as possible. So all of the new traders or the new students or the advanced students can learn this in a very effective way. Let's begin. So what is a support and what is a resistance? The price of an asset pair which bounces back multiple times from a certain point is called a support. As you can see in the diagram which I have drawn for you below, I have marked the support and resistance level. So the price of an asset pair which bounces back from a certain point multiple times is called support. As you can see in this diagram, the price bounced multiple times from this support. Here it got multiple taps, as you can see in this zone. And what is a resistance? The price of an asset pair which retraces back from certain point multiple times is called resistance. As you can see in this diagram, I have marked the resistance zone above this. Each time the price went, tapped this zone, got rejected. Each time the price went, got rejected. Each and every time. See, here is another tap over here, and the price rejected. So this is support and resistance. Remember, the most important part of this is that when the resistance is broken, it turns into support. And when the support is broken, it turns into resistance. For example, if this is the resistance, it got multiple taps over here. In case if the price breaks this zone, and the candle closes above this zone. Now this resistance won't be resistance. This will be now support. Same goes for the support. If the support is broken, it means it has turned into resistance. The price will break now this zone to make this as a support. This was an hypothetical example. Let's go to live charts and find some support and resistance on multiple pairs. Let's dive in. Now this is the euro and the US dollar chart. As we can see clearly, the price bounced back 2 times from this zone, which means that this zone is now support. The buyers are interested over here and they do not allow the price to further drop. So this is our support zone. We have to draw support zone from the toolbox. Take simply a trend line. Let's draw it. As you can see clearly, this is our support zone now. We got multiple taps 1 2 3 4 5, so this means this is a perfect support. Now it's holding, the price isn't further dropping from this zone. Now we have a resistance zone also. See, the price isn't moving further away from this zone, which means that the buyers could not break this zone. There is a win-win situation over here. Both the buyers and sellers are maintaining the price. Let's draw the resistance zone. This is our resistance zone. As you can see clearly, perfect. See, the price went up, got rejected, went up, got rejected, then dropped. Here it got its support zone, bounced back from here, again got multiple taps overhead and got rejected. This is the daily time frame chart. This seems a perfect opportunity to buy and sell around over here. You can draw support and resistance zone on any time frame. This is the daily chart. You can draw it on any time frame which you want. For the best results, I prefer use the hourly and the daily charts and the weekly. So this was the support and resistance. It's pretty simple, guys. Practice as much as you can and you will be able to identify support and resistance on multiple time frames. Now in case if this is the resistance zone, if the price is able to surpass this zone, now this zone has become a support. Now the resistance zone will be towards upside. And the same scenario is for the support. If the support is broken, now this is the resistance zone. This is the resistance zone now. Let's go find some another examples. This is the Ethereum and the US dollar chart. This is the 4-hour chart. Let's find the major support and resistance on this pair. Let's zoom out a bit. Now, as we can clearly see over here, we got multiple rejections of the price from this zone. This means clearly that this is a strong resistance level. The buyers could not break this zone.